Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube app on your iPhone. So let's get started. So just open your iPhone and then press on this icon which says App Store. And once this App Store app opens, you need to press on the search icon on the bottom right hand side. So I'm going to just press on the search icon which is at the bottom, and once you press on the search icon you can search for any app. So I'm going to search for YouTube, and once I see YouTube in the search result, I'm going to press on the YouTube option here, and you will be able to see this YouTube option here. So here you will be able to see this download icon. So just press on the download icon, which is going to start the download of this YouTube app. So just wait for the download to complete. And now you can see after some time I can see this open button which will allow me to open YouTube app. So I'm going to just press on this open button and you can see YouTube has been started. First of all, it's going to show you this kind of notification. I'm going to just press on allow, which will send me the alerts, and then you can sign in with your Gmail account. So I'm going to just enter my Gmail account and then press on continue. And now you can see YouTube app has been started on my iPhone. Also, when you close this app, you will be able to see this icon on your iPhone. So you can just open this YouTube app from this icon from the next time. So this is how you can download and install YouTube on your iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.